Is it Sheverini Dooster? Sheverini Dooster.
I can say it.
Okay.
This is my part. This is my job.
Okay.
Is it Sheverini Dooster?
I was sure it was.
You know,
Pick two more
I was
numbers.
ready to go home. I thought I had lost.
Pick two more numbers here, Mark.
1 year later.
Is it Sheverini Dooster? It's a long story, Alex.
Sheverini Dooster. Is that the solution? What is Sheverini Dooster?
A good friend of mine, Marc, was on the show a year ago, and that was a guess he made for one of his nephews. So it's because of him that I'm on the show, so I figure I should do that much more.
You figured you would come up with the same ridiculous line that he did. Sheverini Dooster.
Uh-huh.
All right, if there are any future classic concentration players out there, remember, Sheverini Dooster, when there is doubt in your mind.
If there's a bustle in your hedgerow, don't be alarmed now. It's just a spring clean for the May Queen. Yes, there are two paths you can go by, but in the long run, there's still time to change the road you're on.